Official announcement, you guys. I will be at ZCON this year, and I hope to see you there as well. Got my Z here behind me. We're building it here at UpRev, and we've got a lot of work to do. Quick little proof that it ain't ready yet is if you look under hood here, no engine. So that's on the bench behind me there. You can see it. I just wanted to make sure to invite you guys to come and hang out at ZCON. It's going to be an awesome time this year. It's going to be road racing, there's going to be HPDE, there's going to be drifting, and there's going to be a big car show, and I'll be there with my Z. So the drift event is going to be at MidPond. It's going to be a hell of a fun time, and I encourage all you guys to come out and drive with us. We'll be doing ride-alongs, so if you want to be a spectator, you can ride with me and my Z, and if you want to drive, we also have that available just for the drifters. So it's $150 for the day, but if you use my code SHREDDER, you'll get a discount. Normally when you go sign up for ZCON, you know, you got to sign up for the whole thing. But I told them that drifters are not really interested in the other stuff. They just want to come drive. So I've gotten permission to invite all my drift friends to come on out, and I hope to see you guys out there. I got a lot of work to do, so I'll make this short and sweet, but I had a great time last year at ZCON, and I'm glad to be there again with all my friends from K2 and UpRev and everyone else that I met out there. You guys, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be an awesome time, and I'll see you there.